Trav, your bag, bro.
Dude, close one. Almost lost my bags, but we're here.
We're gonna like wrestle by the end of this, Dan. And maybe just a big thumbs up.
Hey, me and Dan, we'll keep you posted, but we're going all night longer.
Well, we're here in San Ignacio at our pit where we're getting in. Brock's been in the car for 8-9 hours now, so we're about to hop in for our 9-10 hour segment here and drive all through the night, and hopefully we'll see you guys back on the other side in San Felipe.
Midnight chase. We've been waiting all week for this. We got our lines down. The boys are about to get in the race car. Hager's been doing a heck of a job. Small hiccup in the beginning, but this is the Baja 1000, 1,300 miles. It ain't over till it's over. So Ronnie and Cole about to beast out their section, pass it to JD. Sorry, I got ahead of myself there. And hey, me and Dan, we'll keep you posted, but we're going all night long.
Cut it, de-shank.
That's it. That's it.
We got him, boys. All right, so we're here in Vizcaíno, pure chaos. I knew there's gonna be a lot of people here, but holy cow. I think we're almost out of stickers and we've only been here 5 minutes. So just gonna get a visual on the boys. This is about 70 miles into their 450. So just gonna make sure they don't need a re-rack, anything like that, and not see them again for another 150 miles. So hopefully everything's going smooth. Nice run, amigo.
I gotta get back in here soon.
You look excited about that.
So how did it feel hitting a truck?
Oh, we hit it hard.
Dude, so was it stuck?
It was upside down.
And you just threw the
Came
dust.
around the corner. It was like clear, and then just a wall of dust. I hit the brakes, but it was too late. It was already a truck upside down. It was just clear to dust. Upside down truck.
You're able to back out
my
of it?
bumper. My bumper's so messed up.
Are you gonna give him any words of encouragement when he comes in?
You can hear him like you got the stopped exhaust.
No words of encouragement. Maybe just a big thumbs up, and he could take that however he wants.
All good. Car's running good, so seem like they're in good shape. Just got to keep driving.
Did you give him any words of encouragement?
No, they didn't seem like they're in that good of a mood. Yeah, you guys are fucking doing awesome. You're giving JD a perfect car to go race this thing in the daylight. So I think you guys have done fucking awesome here. Yeah, I think that guy.
Here, I think San Felipe. It sounds like I took as many naps as you, so I'm impressed about that. And yeah, Ron drove a hell of a race there and just try to keep it together, get a decent car to JD. I mean, San Felipe from Europe is rough, so I think we did our job. We're here before sunrise, so I'm not complaining. Good luck, JD.
Well, just arrived here basically in San Felipe. Ended up starting in San Ignacio at about 9:30 at night. Now it's about 5 in the morning here, so Kiss and I went all through the night. Car's still in good shape. JD just took off, and we'll see how he does for the next 350 miles.
What does that mean?
I'm the driver of this ship, and I slept the least.
No.
Yeah.
This is a real toss-up between the Chase guys here, huh?
We're gonna like wrestle by the end of this, Dan.
Trav, your bag, bro.
Dude, close one. Almost lost my bags, but we're here. San Mateus, the boys are coming in. Maybe have a right front flat, but we'll get it assessed and get them back on the road. It's gonna be a close one to the finish.
I called it. 15 minutes ago, I was like, hey, we need to get a tire out just in case he gets flat. It's rocky down there. Sure enough.
12 minutes, 20 seconds behind Purple Skittle. Nice work, boys.
Hola! Tired of Mexico. Been here way too long. Too many days in Mexico.
Yeah.
I'm glad to be here. Glad to be done with this thing. Glad to finish.
That's a wrap on this year's Baja 1000, 1,300 miles. Looks like a P3 overall UTV finish for us. Unofficial as of right now, but the boys put in good work all day and couldn't be happier. After 1,300 miles, hard to ask for much more than a podium finish.